Oh my God, I cannot believe this day is finally here. Didn't think these were gonna make it to the market. Definitely wanted to quit making them many times through the process. And they're finally here, and I just want to talk about them, and I just want to share some benefits with you on why I think they're going to be a game changer for you in your skincare arsenal. So, you're so wise, you're doing everything you can now. I'm so proud of you. You're cleansing, you're exfoliating, you're wearing your sunscreen, you're using your vitamin A, you're using your vitamin C, but what if something is missing, and what if you could add one thing to your regimen that would blow your mind and give you those results that are really visible, so that you just feel like your skin is more plump, more youthful, and just more healthy. Well, the thing that might be missing from your routine, your regimen, your arsenal is peptides and growth factors. And what I did is I decided to put them into one product. So this product is going to blow your mind. It has the most active amounts of peptides in there in the purest form, formulated perfectly with growth factors to give you that yummy, younger looking skin. And they can be used all over the skin, as well as an eye cream and an eye treatment. That's what they're meant for. So it's meant to be used all over as well as an eye treatment. And they are my peptide repair cream, girl. Oh my God. I am just so, not many things excite me these days, to be really honest, with formulation. And I didn't think we could pull it off, and we did. And you'll know when you use it. You're gonna feel it, you're gonna see it. It's not something you're gonna be like, I don't know, she fucking oversold me, I think. Now, if you haven't been taking care of your skin, settle down. You need to be taking care of your skin and exfoliating using vitamin A, vitamin C, in order to get a benefit from any and all peptides. And I know you know the quality of the peptide, the active form of it, how it's sourced, how it's manufactured and produced, all that matters. We put the best of the best peptides in here, girl. We put egg peptides in here and some growth factors in here. So your skin doesn't even have a chance. It's gonna look more healthy, more youthful looking. And so the thing about the peptides is it's important to use in your regimen, because peptides, what they do, it's kind of like a key to your cell, and it kind of communicates to that cell to do its function. And when you age and when you start getting sun damage, your DNA starts to deteriorate and break down. And then that DNA that's damaged will then repopulate and reproduce a damaged cell again. So that could be pigmentation, wrinkles, whatever it is, or the lack of collagen stimulation. So when you use peptides and growth factors like this, you're repairing that damage below the surface, and you're allowing that cell to communicate again like it was young. And that's the biggest issue with aging, is that the communication of the cells starts to break down, so it's not as quick. And this helps to bring that back to life, so that your cells are operating at optimal levels, and that they are communicating to each other to do the function that they're properly designed to do, which is to cause moisture in the skin, to cause cushion into the skin, to protect the skin, to help with collagen stimulation, elasticity. When all of those functions are happening properly in the skin, functioning properly, and the only reason they don't is because usually aging intrinsically and extrinsic, or something we might be doing. But when we use a product and put that on our skin, what happens is we start to flood our skin consistently with a nutrient that's active, that's going into the skin to helping to stimulate that collagen with anti-aging, to help the skin bounce a lot more, which makes it more plump, firm, and tighter. So, anyway, I know I said that all in one breath, but I'm going to leave all the information below, and you're going to be quite surprised in how this 1 ounce little bottle is going to act like a 2 ounce or larger bottle with hydration, plumping, firming, and tightness. So feel free to click the link below, girl. I am so grateful that you allowed me to bring this to the market. I'm so excited. I cannot wait for you to try it and to hear your feedback, all feedback. And, just make sure that you are taking care of your skin. I'm not going to overpromise anything. I want you to experience your own results and to have your own experience. But if you have any questions, let us know below. Remember to stay gorgeous, and I'll see you soon in a new video. Bye.